Learn today about work. What is work? We can say that work is a quantity in physics because it can be measured. Now, suppose if I tell you that I have a box and if I tell you that do some work on this, so what might be the thing which you will do the first thing? What is the first thing you are going to do with this box when I say you to do some work on it? Obviously, it's so simple. You are going to lift the box and place it somewhere else, isn't it? So by this, what have you understood by work? What is work? So in terms of science, work means if you have a body and if you apply some force on the body and if the body displaces, then we call it as work. The work is done on the body. For example, take the same box. If I keep the box here and let me apply some force. Now if you see, when I apply some force, this box has moved to some distance. So which means I have done some work. I have performed some work. What is the work? I have applied some force and the box has displaced. So by this we can tell that work is equal to force times displacement. The unit of work is joule, or you can say Newton meter, because force is in Newton and displacement is in meter. So we can call it as Newton meter or joule. Now work is of two types. We can say positive work and negative work. What is positive work and what is negative work? So positive work, if the force direction and the displacement direction both are in the same direction, if displacement and force both are in the same direction, then it is called as positive work. For example, let us see one thing. The same thing, if I keep the box and if I do some work or if I apply some force, so the direction of force is in this direction and the movement of this box is also in the same direction. So this is called as positive work. Now what is negative work? So negative work, we can say that if direction of force is not, if the force direction and the displacement direction is not in the if the force and displacement direction are not same, which means if force is in one direction, then the displacement should be in opposite direction. So in that case, how we can demonstrate that negative work? Suppose this box is already in motion. So what is the displacement direction? So it is in this direction. Now what I do is I stop this box by keeping my hand here. So it is already in motion and I stop this box. So which means I am applying force in this direction to stop this box. So my force direction is in this direction and the motion of this box is in this direction. So displacement is in this direction. So we can see that displacement is in this direction and force is in this direction, opposite direction. So both are in opposite direction. So this is called as negative work. We have seen about positive and negative work, and we know that the unit of work is joule. So let us define what is 1 joule, how much is 1 joule. So we can define that if the force applied is 1 Newton and after applying 1 Newton force, if the body displaces to 1 meter, then the work done is 1 joule. Let me repeat again. If 1 Newton force is applied on a body and the body displaces to 1 meter, then the work done is 1 joule. So work is a scalar quantity. It does not have direction, but it has sign, like positive sign. Positive work, negative sign, which means negative work. And we also have zero work. Work done is also 0. When work done is 0, if you apply the force and if the displacement is 0, if there is no displacement, even if you apply the force, then work is 0. For example, if you have a wall in front of you and if you apply a lot of force, even then the wall doesn't move, it doesn't displace, which means the work done by you is 0. And also, if force is 0 but displacement is present, even then the work is 0. So this is about the basic of work. Hope you have understood it. So let me ask you a question. Work done by friction, is it a positive work or a negative work? Post your answer in the comment box. Thank you and have a great day.